Good afternoon. Anyway, I have a new package. Let's see what's in it, because I am very excited for this. I ordered this, but it's only available in the US, and I was expecting trouble with it, but it turned up no trouble at all. And it is Girls, Guns, and G-Strings, 12 films from Andy Sidaris. And we will be covering these in our summer watch parties. Patrick from Have Cheetah will be joining me for some of these, I believe. He's expressed an interest. Now, mostly these are action movies with Playboy and penthouse ladies in various states of undress. So we got The Dallas Connection, we got Day of the Warrior, Do or Die, Enemy Gold, Fit to Kill, Guns, Hard Hunted, Hard Ticket Hawaii, Malibu Express, Picasso Trigger, Return to Savage Beach, and Savage Beach. So I am very happy to have this, and I'm going to open it. It is brand new. Here we go. Right. And yeah, look at that. All these films on 1, 2, 3 discs. Just blank. So you got what? 1, 2 films per disc. 3 discs is 12 films. There we go. Thank you for watching. Here ended the lesson.